Sometimes you're going to get equations that are in not y equals mx plus b form, linear relations, but that you need to graph. One option is to rearrange. If you rearrange the equation so it's y equals, you can just graph it using the old method. This is totally fine, and if you prefer that, it is allowed. But if you don't want to, the other method that you can use is graphing using the x and y intercepts. This knowledge is that at the y-intercept, x is equal to 0, and at the x-intercept, y is equal to 0. We're going to sub these numbers in one at a time into the equation to find out what the intercepts are going to be. Because once you have 2 points on a graph, you just connect them, and that's your graph. So let's start by doing the y-intercept. So I'm going to take my equation, 2 equals 3x minus 2y. I'm going to sub in 0 for the x. So it's going to be 2 equals 3 times 0 minus 2y. 2 equals, that's nothing, negative 2y, which would mean y is equal to negative 1, because I divided both sides by negative 2. Cool. So that means that the point I have is 0, negative 1. That is one of my points. Now I'm going to do the same thing, but instead I'm going to sub in y equals 0. So 2 equals 3x minus 2y. 2 equals 3x minus 2, 0. 2 equals 3x. And then we get x equals 2 over 3. Again, divided by 3 on both sides. So this is going to be 2/3, and 0 is going to be my other intercept. So if you wanted to graph that, again, I don't like this method as much because you're going to get fractions as some answers, but that's okay. So we have 0, negative 1 is my y-intercept. So 0, negative 1 is right there. And then 2/3, 0 is my x-intercept. So that's going to be about there. And then it's an upward slope, which makes sense. That's it.